Hello, my wonderful students. Welcome back to my channel. So, today we are going to see class 4 max unit number 3, chapter number 3, pattern around us. Okay, so unit number 2 is already completed, hide and seek. So, those who missed to watch the video and come back to chapter 3. So, in term 1 examination, you will be having chapter 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So this chapter is very important, pattern around us. So in this chapter, we will be covering all the patterns, including important question for your exam and how to find out the patterns, what are the patterns and odd and even numbers, how to find an odd and even numbers. Okay, so let's go into this chapter. Let us count. Gunapa Gudapa has some land with tall coconut trees. So this is the land with tall coconut trees, and students, you can able to identify this we saw in unit 2, hide and seek. So what view is this? This is a top view of the coconut tree. This is the top view of the coconut tree, and here we have the coconut tree's front view. So front view of the coconut tree, and this one is the top view of the coconut tree. Okay. So how many coconut trees does Gunapa have? So we have a very big land. So it will be difficult for counting each and every coconut tree. So what we are going to do? We are going to divide them in a group. So we are going to make a pattern now. Okay. So we are going to divide this in a group. So this coconut tree is the first group of coconut trees. So first group, and I'll make a box here, student. Okay, I'm making a box to divide them. Okay, so I'm dividing them into groups. Okay, so how many groups we have now? See, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9. So this is 4, 5, 6. So how many groups we have? We have 9 groups totally. Okay. And how many coconuts in each group? So we will count the coconut tree. Maybe I'll take blue color. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in each group we have 9 coconut trees. So 9 into 9 is 81. 9 nines are 81. So totally Gunapa has 81 trees. Okay, so likewise you can count easily, students. Okay, so when you count individually it will be very difficult. When you make a group of trees and if you count, it will be very easily. If in case they are giving only these coconuts, okay, I will make something in yellow, little thicker. And if in exam they are giving only this part of coconut trees, only they are giving this part. Okay, now how many groups we have? Changing the color. So now how many groups we have? We have 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 groups, and each group, how many trees are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9. Okay, now easily you can able to answer. 9 threes are 27. Okay, easily you can able to find the answer. Okay, I'm going to erase this out. So when we make a group, so it will be easy for us to answer the question. Okay, you can also cross check the answer, student. If you want to cross check, you can cross check and find out how many coconut trees are there. We can do that also. Okay, so you can cross check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So we got 27 right only for these three. Okay, so in this row we have 27, and in this row we have 27, Again in this row we will get 27. So when you add 327, so 27 plus 27 plus 27. If you add all three, 7 plus 7 is 14. So 14 plus 7, what is 7 3s are 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So 1 and balance 2. And 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 81. So we are getting 81 coconut trees here. Okay. So 27, 27, 27, 3 27s are 81. That is the answer we are getting here. Okay. So how do you know? So how did you find out? How did you find out? I created a pattern. You can write I created pattern. Okay. Let's see next. Gunapa has plucked 5 coconuts from each tree. So totally we have 91 coconuts and he plucked 5 coconuts from each tree. So each tree he plucked 5 coconuts. So 5 coconuts he plucked from each tree. So totally how many coconuts tree we have? We have 81 coconut trees and each tree he has plucked 5 coconuts. So 5 ones are 5, 5 eights are 40. So totally how many coconuts are there? Gunapa has plucked 5 coconuts from each tree. How many coconuts has he plucked? He plucked 405. Okay, I will write it little thicker. So he plucked 405 coconuts. Okay, students, these are very important exams questions. So please prepare very carefully. Okay, so next. Muniamma makes plates and cups. So Muniamma makes plates and cups. Number of cups. So these are the cups here. And she is making plates and cups and we need to find out. If you see, we have rows here. First row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row and sixth row. Okay, and each row one cup is lesser. If you find in this first row, when you compare to second row, this one cup is lesser, and when you see the third row, this one cup is lesser. So we have to find out exactly which row is equal. So this row we have all the cups equal. Okay, now we need to find out the number of cups. So totally we have 6. So 6 into how many cups we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 minute students. I'll make little closer view. I'll zoom this so that it will be like easy for you to see. I think this will be fine. Okay. Now I'll write it. Okay. I'll do it now. We'll do it from the beginning. I'll rub all these. I am going to erase these. Okay, and I'll do it from the beginning. Okay. So 1. Okay, I'll make a little thinner. Okay. So first cup, second cup, third cup, fourth cup, fifth cup, sixth cup, seventh cup, eighth cup and ninth cup. So we have 9 cups here. 6 into 9. So 6 9s are 54. Okay, so we have 54 cups and remaining we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 more. So 54 plus 6. So 54 plus 6 is 60. So 54 plus 6 is 60. So this is one method we can able to do. In second method, I'll tell you how to do it. I'm going to erase all these out, students. Let me erase this out. Okay, and I'll show you in a different way. 1 minute. Okay, let me take another color, maybe a black one. Okay, so what we can do is we can able to take this one, take this small mud cup and keep it here so that we can make all these rows equally. So we are going to take this cup. So I'll take a white color of this and I'm going to rub this one. I'm going to remove this cup and I'm going to keep the cup here. Take a black one and I'm going to keep the cup here. Okay, likewise I'm going to take the cup here from here and I'm going to keep here. Okay, I'm going to remove this cup. Okay, I removed that cup and I'm going to place the cup here. Okay, now if you see, all the rows are even. Okay, and now we will count and see how many we have. Same, there is 6 rows, there is no difference. So 6 rows, 6 into, in each row we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. So 6 tens are 60. So same answer we are getting, 60 here and here also 60. Okay, in two ways we can able to do with students. It's easy way. Okay, next I'm going to minimize to the same size which we had previously. Okay, so in two-way method you can able to do, either you can erase and keep the cup here so that we can make the column even, or else what you can do is you can see which column is like even and you can take the number of rows, count it and you can add the missing cups. You can do in either way. So Muniama makes plate and cups. The number of cups is 60. We got answer 60. Okay, next. How many coconut laddus are there in tray? So we have tray here and how many trays we have? This is the first tray, first one, and this is the second tray and this one is the third tray. So we have totally 3 trays. So how many coconut laddus are there in tray? So let's take color red and coconut laddus. Coconut is white in color. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 coconut laddus are there in one tray. And how many trays we have? We have 1, 2, 3. So 3 trays. So 3 into 13. So 3 threes are 9. 3 ones are 3. So totally we have 39 coconut laddus. And next, how many milk bedas are there in a tray? So milk beda is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 milk bedas in one tray and totally we have 3 trays. So 3 twos are 6, 3 ones are 3. So 36 milk bedas are there. So this is your exam important question, students. They might change the pattern and they will ask you. While preparing the worksheet, I'll show you what kind of questions they will be asking. Okay. Now we will go to sorry, pattern with money. Okay. Shirley and Shiv arranged their money, play money in some nice pattern as shown below. So Shirley, so she is Shirley, and we have Shiv. They both arranged play money in some patterns are shown below. We can able to see the pattern here. So what is the patterns? They have arranged some 5 rupees coin in the corner. So we have 5 rupees here. So 5, 5, 5, 5 rupees and 10 rupees here. I'll give a different color for 10 rupees. So here we have 10 rupees, 10, 10, 10, and in middle we have 20 rupees. So black color I'll give for 20 rupees. Okay, and here we have some notes. So 10 rupees notes, and we have 5 rupees coin in the middle and 2 rupee coin at the edges. Okay, so 2 rupees here we have, and 10 rupees I'll do an again blue color. So we have 10 rupees, and 5 rupees will do in red color. Okay, these are 5 rupee coins. 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay, how much money? So now we have a group of 5 rupees coin, and we have group of 10 rupees coin and 120 rupees coin. So when you find the groups, we can able to find how many money we have. So 5 rupees, how many groups we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. 5 fours are 20. Next we have 10 rupees. So 10 rupees, how many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 tens are 40. Next we have 20 rupees. So 20 into 1 is 20. So we have to add all these. So we can easily able to get the answer. So 40 plus 20 is 60. 60 plus 20 is 80. So totally we have rupees 80. Okay. Next, how much we have here? Okay. Here, I'll do it on this side. Okay. Let me do with a blue one. So first we will do 2 rupees coin. So how many 2 rupees we have? 2 and 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4. So 2 fours are 8. So next we have 10 rupees. So how many 10 rupees we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. 6 tens are 60. And 5 rupees we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5 into 8. 5 eights are 40. Students, multiplication, addition, subtractions are going to play a very major role. So please practice whenever you get time. Okay. So, oh, I'm sorry. So 5 eights are 40. So the answer is 60 plus 40 is 100. 100 plus 8 is 108. You can add like this also. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. Okay, we do not have a space here. Give me 1 minute, students. I will rub and write it here. We are going very edge in the corner. I'll write it here so that it will be like little easy for subtraction. Okay, at the top. So we have 60, 40 and 8. So 8, 6 plus 4 is 10. 108. Okay, so 108. Okay, so next, how did you count them? Discuss in class. So how did you count those? So you can write, I counted them in groups and added. I will type it over. I I counted them in groups and added. Okay. Next, arrange play money of amount 1, 2, 5 and 10 to show 36, 125 and 183. Ask your peers to tell how much it is. Okay, now they have given with some amount for 1 rupee coins, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupees coin and 10 rupees coin to show. We have to show 36 rupees, 125 rupees and 185 rupees, like this. In this pattern you have to show. So let's create some pattern. So for 1 rupee I am going to take maybe green color, students. Okay, for 1 rupee we will take green color. I will mark it here. Okay, imagine that this color is 1 rupee. I'll make little thicker. Okay, 1 rupee. And then for 2 rupee I'll take orange. So this is 2 rupees. And then 5 rupees I'll go for blue. So blue is 5 rupees. And 10 rupees I'm going with yellow color. Yellow color is 10 rupees. Okay, I'll take green and I'll take little bigger one. Okay, so green color is 1. Okay, I'm going to name them. So it will be easy for identification. So this is 1 rupee, this is 2 rupee, this is 5 rupees and this one is 10 rupees. Okay, now first we will make 36. So 36 we can take yellow, 3 yellows. We will do it here. So 1, where is the bigger size? So 1, 10 rupees, 2, 10 rupees, 3, 10 rupees and we can take 5 rupees, 1, 5 rupees and 1, 6. So we have 1 rupee, we need to take green. So now you can name them. So 10 rupees, 10 rupees, 10 rupees. So this one is 5 rupees and 1 rupees. So 310 is 30, 30 plus 1 is 35, 35 plus 1 is 36. So here we are getting 36. Okay, next I will do 125. 183 you can make by your own students because we do not have enough space here. So next I'll do 125. Okay, so 125 I'm going to make, I'll draw a line in the center. So I'll divide them. Okay. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we got 100. So we can mark them. So these are 10 rupees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we got 100. We still have 25 rupees. So we can take 5 rupees now. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 5s are 20. So these are 5 rupees. So 5, 5, 5, 5. So now we got 120. So 20, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 105, 110, 115, 120. So now we need to have 5 more. Either we can add one more 5 or you can take 1 rupee coins 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can take 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this is 125. So 125. Students, it's going to be very easy and very interesting. Your class teacher will ask you to make cards using number of rupees. For 5 rupees, 10 rupees, you can make flashcards and you can arrange like this, and you can ask your friends to find the number of, you can find the amount, how much amount is coming. You have to arrange and your friends have to guess how much it's coming up. Okay. So next we have 1 minute, students. Next we have Shirley and Shiva arranged their coins in the following way. Write the number of coins in the triangle. So now we need to write the number of coins in the triangle. They have arranged in this way. So you have to find and write the number of coins. Let's do this, students. I'm not going to erase all this. Let it be the same. Okay, first we will do for Shirley. So already the first one is written. So 1, 2, 3, 3. So next we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have 1. It is in pairs. So 1 and 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 17. And 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. And we have 1 here. So next we have 2, 4, 6 and 7. So here we have number 3, number 5, number 7, number 11, number 17 and number 1 also. And Shiv, it's 2, 4 and 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 14. No. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. Next. Describe Shiv's arrangement and write his numbers. So Shiv's arrangement, Shiv we got 4, 6, 8, 12 and 14. So describe Shiv's arrangement and write his number. He arranged his coins in pairs. So he arranged all the coins in pairs. You see, everything is in pair. So you can write his numbers or his coins are in pairs. of 2. It's a pair of 2. And numbers, you can tell what numbers we got. We got 4, 6, 8, 12 and 14. Okay. Describe Shirley's arrangement and write the number. Shirley's arranged coins in pairs, but one coin was left out. So you can write she arranged in coins in pair, but one coin was left out. So she arranged in pairs, leaving one coin. Okay, and what numbers we got? We got 1, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 17. So you can write the number. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 17. Okay. So Shiv has arranged his number in pairs. We call such numbers even numbers. So students, very important question. Odd numbers and even numbers for sure you will be getting for your exam. Okay. Even numbers. So okay. Shiv arranged the numbers in pairs. So numbers in pairs. So these numbers are called as even numbers. So these are even numbers. Okay. And Shirley numbers are called odd numbers. So these are odd numbers. So odd numbers. So these are odd numbers. So identify number between 1 and 20, even or odd. You may draw the pairing arrangement of the numbers. Okay, here we have given with odd and even. Important question for your exam students. This one. So we need to fill this table. Do you think all the numbers in table 2 are even? So we will complete this now. So here we already saw the odd number and even number. So even number we got 4, 6, 8, 12 and 14. So we can add 2 also. 2 also is an odd number. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 14. And odd number, sorry, these are even number. And odd number we got 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 17, etc. Okay. Now we will fill these box. Okay. So I will do it for you students. Let me change the color. Okay. So first coin. So this is the first coin. There is no pair. So 1 we already know it's an odd number. And second coin we have. So it's in pair. So 2 even number. And if you add one more number. Here these two are pair. 1 it's like again a single. So 3 is an odd number. And if you are adding fourth coin. You are getting again a pair. So 4 is an even number. And if you are adding 5. So these two are pair, and this is single. So again 5 is an odd number. And sixth coin, if you are having sixth coin here, this is the sixth one. Then these two becomes pair. So we have 6 even number, and if you get one more coin, seventh coin, this is separate. So 7 is an odd number. So likewise, you can write all the odd numbers. We have 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. And here you will get 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19. Okay, so we have written between 1 to 20. If you see the even numbers, it is the even numbers always lies in two tables, students, so that you can easily able to identify the numbers which comes in two tables. You can able to see those numbers here. Okay, what do you think all numbers in times 2 table are even? So I told you, right? So what do you think all numbers in times 2 table are even? I'll write the answer.
ये बड़ा नंबर भी अगर आपको दे, फॉर एग्जांपल आपको दिया 57, बताइए 57 इवन है या ऑड है?
Give me a minute, student. I'm just trying to take a different crayons here. 1 minute. Okay. So circle the odd number and put them. So we already know the even and odd number pattern, right? So I have written for even number, and for odd number, I'll tell you odd number, the number which ends with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are the odd numbers. You can easily able to identify. If they are asking a number 173, the last digit, the unit digits, it's number 3, which is odd number. Okay, so this is very important, students. So next one. So circle the crayon. So we have to circle the odd numbers and we need to square the even numbers. So odd numbers we need to circle. So first we will find out the odd numbers. So odd numbers we already know. I will write the pattern again. So 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. These are odd numbers. So we will circle all those. I'm going to use orange color to circle. So the number ends with, so this one they have already circled, and number 69. So 69 is an odd number, it ends with a 9. So I'm going to circle this. And 36, no, it is an even number. So 38, 30, 43 ends with 3. So 43 is an odd number. 52, 51 ends with 1. So 51 is an odd number. 37, so 37 is an odd number. Likewise, if you see this big crayon, the right hand side is the right, all numbers are even number, and the left hand side all numbers are odd number. So you can circle all the odd numbers here. You can circle it out one by one very slowly. If you have pencil, you can sharpen the pencil, students. So you can circle all the odd numbers. Circle it out. So if you see all these numbers are ending with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Circle this out. This number, see this page number, this is also an odd number ending with 7. You can circle that also. Now we will do even number in purple color. Okay, we already know what are the even numbers: 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So these number ending are called even numbers. Okay, so we need to square them out. So we have 36 even number, 22 even number. I'm just putting a square box. 30 even number, 52 ending with 2 even number, 38 ending with 8 even number, and all the right hand side numbers are even number. You can make a square box. So 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Okay. So now we have done this. So this is also important question, students. So which number are even and which are odd? Discuss. So which number are odd and which number of even? We have already written the number which is ending with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are odd numbers, and ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are even numbers. Shirley observes an interesting even odd pattern in the page number of her maths book. So page number she also identified. So here page 36 we are going to box this because this is an even number. Ending with 6 is an even number, and we circled 37 ending 7 which is an odd number. Okay, explore your textbook, find out Shirley has draw a square on the even number and put circle on the odd number. So we can able to do here. We have page number 38 so that we can square 38. 38 is an even number and 35 is an odd number. So we can circle that out. Okay, likewise you can do it in your school book. So next, this is the last page, students. And 3 mark question you will be getting this question. Okay, so identify which of the following numbers are even and which are odd. Explain your reason. So we have given with, okay, here we have crayon, students. We have missed this, so we will complete this also. I'll take orange color. We have to circle all the odd numbers, so we will circle this out. So while doing in your book, do it very slowly, okay? Take sharp color pencil, students. Do not take crayons. So take color pencil so that you can make the circle very easily. Okay. So 65, odd number, 66, 69. We have 71, 73, 75, 77, 79, 81, 83, 85, 87, 89, 90, 93, 95, 97, 99. You couldn't able to see after 87 because it is like very bottom. And next we will do for even number in blue. So we need to square all the even numbers. So I'm going to put square. So 51, sorry, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 67, sorry, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, and we have 92, 94, 96, 98, and 100. Okay, so this row is an even number, and orange one, this side is the odd number. Okay, now we will go to the question. Identify which of the following numbers are even and which are odd. Explain your reason. Okay, so we already know the numbers ending with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are odd numbers, and 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are even number. You always remember this, students. This is going to help you in your examination. Okay, so here So we have 30. 30 is ending with 0. So the number ending with 0 is even number. So I'm going to write 30. So next 46 ending with 4 is also even number. Next we have 78 ending with 8 is even number. So next we have 67. So 67 is 7 which is ending with 7. It's odd number. Next we have 300 ending with even number. Next we have 154 ending with 4. So next we have 415 ending with 5. It's an odd number. And next we have 99 ending with 9 is also odd number. So odd numbers we have, I'm going to circle again, which is in orange color, the odd numbers. So odd numbers we have 67, 415 and 99. Okay, I'm going to square the even numbers. So even number we have 30, we have 46, we have 78, 300 and 154. Okay, so this one is important, students, for your exam portion. Okay, this one I'll put a star, important. Okay, so next one, make two-digit number using the digit 1 and 6 without repetition. So you have to make a two-digit number with 1 and 6. It should not repeat. For example, you should not write 11 because that is going to repeat number 1. You should not write that, and you should not write 66 also because 6 and 6 are getting repeated. So you should not write those two numbers. So I can write, let me do it in black, students. Okay, I'm going to do in black color. 1 minute. Okay, so now I have 1 6, so you can write 16 and 61. So the numbers are not going to get repeated. Okay, identify the number even or odd. So this number is ending with 6, so it is an even number. So I'm going to box it. It is an even number. And 61 is ending with 1, so it is an odd number. I'm going to circle it out. Okay, this one is an odd number. And 16, this one, it's an even number. Okay, next, now choose any two digit, make two digit number in such way that the number are even. So now we can take any two digit number. For example, if I'm taking a 22 and 8, okay, I'm going to make any two digit number. I can make 28 and 82. So if you see these two numbers, both are even numbers. Both are even numbers. Okay, it is 8 ending with 8. 8 ending ends as even number, ending with 2, again even number. For example, if you are taking two odd numbers, for example 3 and 5, if you make two digit using these numbers, you will get 53 and 35. Again, these both are odd numbers. Okay, these both are odd numbers. Okay, so very carefully you have to listen, students. Okay, so now, are there more even or odd number between 1 and 100? So between 1 and 100, so we have many numbers, right? In that, Do we have more even number or do we have more odd numbers? Which is like having more numbers, odd or even? Okay, so if you see here, 1 is an even number, odd, sorry, odd number, and 100 is an even number. Okay, so balance we have how many numbers? Students, tell me how many numbers. You have to tell me in comments how many numbers we have. So we have equal numbers, 50 odd numbers and 50 even numbers. So 50 odd numbers and 50 even numbers. So both are even. So both are equal. You can write both are equal. Okay, here you can able to find in this big crayons is there, right? If you want, you can cross verify in this big crayons all the left hand side. So if you count all the left hand side number, so here it's ending with 49. So if you count, I will take this light blue color and I'll count and show you. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So we got 50 in odd numbers. So odd numbers we got 50. And even number counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So we are getting 50 even numbers. So 50 plus 50 which is equal to 100. So both are equal. Okay. So I just counted to show you how to cross verify. So you can likewise you can count the numbers between 1 to 50 or 1 to 20. Here we got, right? So 1 to 20 you can get count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So how many odd numbers we have between 1 to 20? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 odd numbers we got. And even numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 even numbers. So both are equal. Okay, like this you can easily cross verify in mathematics. Okay, so next we have the last one. Surely notice that both the numbers before and after and odd numbers are even. So surely notice that both the number before and after and odd numbers are even. Shiv wonders if both the numbers before and after and even numbers will be odd. What do you think? Check and circle. Choose any 10 numbers in order without skipping any consecutive number. Write whether they are even or odd. Below each number, what do you notice and discuss? Okay, we'll do that. First, we will write Shirley. Shirley noticed that both the numbers before and after and odd numbers are even. For example, if you have a number 5, before 5 we have 4 and after 5 we have 6. If you notice 4 and 5, I'll change the color. Okay, if you notice 4 and number 6 both are even number, but in between we have an odd number. Likewise for Shiv, an even number. So for example, if you have an odd number So we have an even number 6 here. Before an even number, we have an odd number, and after an even number, we have one more odd number. So 5 and 7 are odd numbers. Okay. So likewise, choose any 10 numbers in order without skipping any consecutive numbers. Write whether they are odd or even. So we have like 20. So is it visible, students? Yes, yes. So 20, 21. So we have 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29. So what we are having a pattern here. If you notice, 20 is an even number and 21 is an odd number, and again 22 is an even number, 23 is an odd number, even number, odd number, even number, odd number, even number, again odd number. So we are getting a pattern here. Okay, so if you again, there is one more pattern. If you have one odd number, the next number is an even number, and if you have one even number, the next number will be obviously an odd number. And another pattern, if you have an odd number in the center, the before number and the or after number will be an even number. For example, 23 here an odd number, but when you see 22 and 24, both are even numbers. Okay, 1 minute, students. Okay, I'll do in maybe in a different color so that you can easily identify. I'll take a blue color, students. So here we have 25, which is an odd number. But if you see an after number of 25, which is 26, even number, and the before number is 24, which is also an even number. And when you take an even number, I'm doing in green color. So 28 is an even number. The before number is 27, which is an odd number, and the after number is 28, 29, which is also an odd number. So there is a pattern. Okay, so whenever we have an odd number in the middle, the before number and the after number will be an even number. Okay, so this is a pattern. And also if you see the number of even numbers, how many even numbers we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 even numbers. There are 5 even numbers, and odd numbers 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 5 odd numbers. So we are getting equal, both equal odd numbers and even numbers. So that is the reason here we have mentioned both are equals when you ask between 1 to 100 numbers. Okay, so now we have completed this pattern, students. Very shortly I'll upload the worksheet for practice and this lesson. I hope you understood. If you have any questions, you can always send me an email. My email address I have already given in the description box. Okay, so this lesson is going to be very, very important for your examination, and I have already marked the important questions also. So this question, the patterns, and they will ask you to count the number in patterns. So this one is an important one. Again, counting, the way of counting is important. An odd number and even number is very, very important, students. Odd number and even number. So here I have written, right, odd numbers. So even number always ends up with 2, 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. It always ends the last unit digit. For example, I'll write some numbers, students, here. Okay, maybe 2-digit number 29 and 3-digit number 310, 4-digit number 5103 and 1-digit number 9. Okay, so if you see, let's identify. I'm going to circle the odd numbers. So I'm going to circle the odd numbers. So 9 here. So odd number ending with 9. So 9 I'm circle. Again 29. The unit number is 9. Again I'm circle. So 0, it doesn't ends up the unit number in odd. I'm not going to circle. Again 3, it is here, the unit digit. So I'm going to circle this out. And I'm going to square the even number. So we have 310. So here we have 0. So I'm going to square it over. So like this, they will ask you questions in examination. So you should be ready for answering, students. Okay. So it is not very difficult part lesson. It's going to be very, very easy. And next lesson is thousands around us. So in third standard, we learned houses of hundreds, right? Now we are going to learn thousands around us. That is also an important chapter. So once you have completed this chapter, I'll be uploading the video of thousands around us. Okay. And kindly join the channel, students. I see many of the students are watching the video, but you're not subscribing and you're not joining. So the only thing to help your teacher is to subscribe and join the channel. Okay. So I'm going to give you a big smile today, as I always do. I'm going to take a pink, green one with a pink eyes today. Okay. A small one, pink eyes. Does it looks nice, students? And we'll keep. Okay. So all the very best for your examination. Do well. If you have any doubts, you can always reach me. Okay. Bye bye. Take care and do not talk with any strangers. I always told you, obey your parents and teachers. Do not go anywhere alone. That is very, very important, students. Take care. Be safe and bye bye.